Seeing unable to fetch account details in Marvel Rivals? Here's a quick fix to get you back in the game. First, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable and strong. Restart the game and your device to clear any temporary glitches. Make sure Marvel Rivals is updated to the latest version available in your App Store. Try logging out and then logging back into your account. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa to rule out network issues. Clear the app cache in your device settings to remove any corrupted data. Check if Marvel Rivals servers are down by visiting their official social media or status page. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the app. It often solves stubborn errors. These steps usually fix the unable to fetch account details error, so you can play without interruptions. Need more help? Just ask.